Hello, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to organize your life. Being organized comes with discipline and sacrifices. You know, as humans, we were not born organized or disciplined or perfect. We had to, one way or the other, in our journey of life, we had to cultivate the healthy habit of being disciplined and organized. Yes, you have to develop a specific lifestyle, a healthy one at that matter, to become organized in your life. So stay with us while we go ahead with this video. If you're new here, be sure to click on the subscribe button and like our page, like I always tell you, so you'll be the first to hear and to know what we have for you. Everything that we share here is from life experiences, and be sure to find solution as we go ahead with this video. Let's jump right into it. The few points that we have for you, how to organize your life. Number one is write down things. You need to write down things. I don't know who does not write anything. Every successful man, woman, write down things, no matter how little it is, no matter how big it is, no matter how urgent it is, you have to write down things. When you write down things, you see that your life will be organized. Your life will be planned. It will be patterned. It will have direction of where it's heading to. So you need to write down things. Number two is you need to have schedules and deadlines. Put down that schedule. Make it a priority. Put down schedules and have deadline for them. You need to set financial goals. You need to set them right. Set your financial goals right down. Put them in order of priority. Don't just go about spending money, running here and there, and at the end of the day, when you don't have money again, at the end of the month or in the middle of the month, you start looking for how to get money, how to survive till the month end, or how to survive till the year end. Write your financial goals down. Stop making people see you like you don't know what you're doing in your life. You don't know why you are here on earth. Write your personal goals down. You need to have personal goals. As I am right now, making YouTube video was part of my personal goals. That's why I'm here with you today. I had to make it a personal goal of talking to people, reaching out to people, helping people. You need to make a personal goal list for yourself so that you see that your life is shaping, your life is channeled towards success. You won't be running here and there. When they call you from the east, you're there. When they call you from the west, you're there. They call you from the north and south, you're there. You don't need to be everywhere. Write down a personal goal for yourself. Procrastination. You need to stop. As a matter of fact, as a matter of urgency, you need to stop procrastinating. I've never seen any successful person that procrastinate and still remain successful. Please, procrastination is the killer of destiny. You need to clear your brain. Clear it up. Clear your brain. You just walk, think, without clearing out all those things that you have worked on. You need to clear your brain. You need to clear your brain from bad thoughts, negative energies. You need to clear that thought. You need to clear them and be free and be stable at one point of your life. You need to clear that thought. You need to cut your excesses. That's the next point. You need to cut your excesses. Whatever that is making you stretch and it is not worth it, is not a priority, is not too important at the moment. You need to clear it out. You need to just eliminate it. You need to cut it out of your life. Clear out your excesses. It is very important. That's why I'm talking to you about it. Clear out your excesses. Cut them off. You need to keep only what you need. Only what you need in your life, in your journey, in your business, in your career, in every area of your life. You need to keep only what is needed, what is more important to you. That's what you need. To the other, you clear them out and buy new ones. So it's the same way that you need to time one point of your life to the other, you clear them out and buy new ones. You need to make a meal plan. Why I brought this up is sometimes in the morning when we wake up, we don't know what to eat. And before you start running from goal to post to organize what you're going to eat for the day, you see that your time has already been eaten. But when you have a meal plan or a meal list for yourself, you see you plan ahead of time. You plan in the night, you plan your meal for the next morning. When you do that, you see you're ready for work, even you're ready for business, you're ready to meet your schedule before time. See, life is simple. Don't make it too hard on yourself. You need to make implementation lists. Where you implement your goals, you need to make those lists. Now, that list will checkmate the personal plans and goals that you have set. You need to make those lists. When you make those lists, it's quite easy for you to implement them. So you work hard and work towards them, and you achieve them easily. Avoid friends with too many wishes, wishing and wishing and wishing and never getting to work. Stay away from them. And the next one is distraction list. You need to put a distraction list down. Whatever that has been distracting you, whatever that is distracting you, you need to write it down so that you can work accordingly to see how you can eliminate them, so that you can stay organized, you can stay in shape, you can stay informed. And the next one here is you need to delegate responsibilities. If you see from the point I made above or before this, I told you you need to clear out people that are full of negative energy. That does not mean they are not part of your life again. There are points in your life where you're going to need them. Those naughty ones, those good ones, those lazy ones. There are points in your life you're going to need them. So you need to delegate responsibilities. Yes, you need them at one point or the other, but when complaint comes in, you have to stay away from them. That's why you need to delegate responsibilities. If it's not important, if they are not important at the moment of your life, stay away from them. You need to avoid or stay away from family and friends that complain too much with negative energy. Stay away from them. Stay away from negative energy. I'm not saying that they are not part of your life anymore. I'm saying that stay away from them when you want to achieve your goal. The only time that you might likely need them is when you want to do something or make a difference and you know that they fit into that area where you want to use them for. You need to clear out. You need to stay away from negative energy. People that are full of complaints. You need to stay out.